Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make a skin review, how I used Colorlight and I cleared up my skin, and how to use it. If at all you don't know how to use Colorlight, so that you're going to get a clear skin like mine. As you can see how I look like, and I wish everyone wants to look the same, to have the same look like me. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can mix up Colorlight and have a better skin like mine. So I have Colorlight oil and Colorlight cream. So how you should be mixing Colorlight and the cream. So you see this oil, some people they are using it as it is, they don't mix it into the cream. But if at all you want to have a fair skin and a warm one, golden warm skin, so you're going to be mixing this oil into the what? Into the Colorlight cream. And when you're applying the cream, make sure that you first take a warm shower before you decide putting Colorlight all over your body. And make sure when you use it in the night, don't use it during the day, because if you decide using it day and night, make sure that you have a sunblock. If at all you don't have a sunblock using it in the night, trust me, you're going to be having what? Sunburn around your face. You're not going to have a clear skin like mine. As you can see, no dark spots. And this is very good if at all you want to use it the way I'm telling you how to use it. Colorlight is going to clear your skin, and you're going to have a skin like mine if at all you use it the same way I told you. Make sure that you apply it on your skin only the night, and make sure when you're applying it, you apply it like this. Don't apply the cream this side. You're going to be having green veins and stretch marks at the same time. So make sure that when you're applying Colorlight on your skin, and Colorlight have fake and original one, but if at all you want to find the original one, you can kindly put the comment below, and I'm going to be giving you the location where you're going to find the original one. We have a shop right here. We are selling all these kind of products, so you can just drop your number and I'm going to be giving you the original one, which are not going to cause any side effects on your skin. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.